Today is November 8th, 2017. Market recap. Dax30 index. Okay, I made a call on my last technical analysis on the DAX that upon hitting this 1x3 Gann angle from the previous top, we may see a bit of sideways movement, then followed by a slight pullback. But in fact, we had yesterday we had actually quite a bit of a decent sell-off for once. Now, why I believe that happened is because if we take our rule and we measure from the high of June and we go across to last night's high, it took 120 days for it to make a new high. Now, as you guys know, when using Gann's method and using timing angles, it's very important to calculate the previous high or the previous top to the next one. Now, 120 is a very important cycle point. I'll just add that in there. 20 days. And it's a number when applying Gann's method that we look towards for possible reversal. So I was watching this yesterday. I didn't take the trade on this, but I was watching it. So I believe this 120 cycle count and the rejection of the 1x3 angle, and it actually went through the 1x4 as well, that I'd say we're going to see more of a meaningful pullback. So what possible targets can we look towards the downside? Okay, I just switched to, here we go. Okay, so now this is the Dax30 standard chart, standard trading times. So as I noted on my analysis on this chart, that I was very cautious of these gaps. Now, you guys out there, you traders that use candlestick analysis, know here yesterday's price action gave us a bearish engulfing previous. So this definitely corresponds to the 120 cycle count on the IG chart, on the futures chart. So we're getting a pretty strong signal here that, as well as this bearish engulfing candle, we should see price movement start to print lower. My first target will be to fill this gap, and I have a high level of confidence we're going to at least see that second gap at 13,152 area get hit as well. So I believe this is a time where you can go short upon this, and still looking at a couple hundred pips movement towards that second gap. So we'll see how this plays out, and I'll do a follow-up on this in the coming days.